Welcome to Physics 1 Particle Mechanics at the University of Guelma. I'm Dr. BORDJIBA Zeyneb. In this course, we'll explore the basics of how particles move and interact. Let's dive into the fundamental principles that form the foundation of physics. Before we get started, let me introduce myself. I'm an assistant lecturer in materials physics at the University of Guelma. I earned my PhD in materials physics and currently teach in the Faculty of Mathematics, Computer Science, and Materials Science. I'm also a member of the L2PM Research Lab, where we focus on material physics. My contact information is available on the slide. To give you a clearer picture of what we'll be covering, let's break down the course into its main components. Our course is divided into two main chapters. Chapter 1, we will focus on dimensional analysis and vector calculus. These topics will help you understand physical quantities and handle vectors effectively. Chapter 2, we will explore kinematics, covering motion, velocity, and acceleration. This structure is designed to give you a solid foundation in both theoretical and practical aspects of particle mechanics. Now let's take a look at the course details. This course, Physics 1 Particle Mechanics, is worth 6 credits with a coefficient of 3. We will have 3 hours of instruction each week. This setup is designed to give you a solid foundation in particle mechanics and ensure we cover all essential concepts thoroughly. Now let's discuss the objectives for this course. Our first objective is to understand dimensional analysis, which is crucial for checking the consistency of equations and understanding physical quantities. The second objective is to master basic kinematic concepts such as velocity and acceleration, which are fundamental to analyzing motion. The third goal is to gain proficiency in vector calculus, which will allow us to handle various physical quantities that have both magnitude and direction. Finally, we aim to apply vector notation and algebra to solve problems and describe physical phenomena accurately. These objectives will guide our learning and ensure we cover the essential aspects of particle mechanics. Before we start the course, it's important to review the prerequisites. First, you should have a solid foundation in high school mathematics, including algebra, trigonometry, and geometry. Next, a basic understanding of physics principles is essential. This includes concepts such as motion, forces, and energy, as well as familiarity with velocity, acceleration, and vectors from high school physics. While not strictly required, having some pre-calculus knowledge, like functions, graphs, and basic calculus concepts, can be quite beneficial. Strong analytical skills are also important. You should be able to analyze and interpret graphical representations and apply mathematical reasoning to solve problems. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, having a genuine interest in science and technology will make the course more engaging and enjoyable for you. Let's discuss the assessment method for the course. Your grade will be determined through continuous assessment, which accounts for 40% of your final grade. This may include quizzes, assignments, and participation throughout the semester. The remaining 60% will come from the final exam. This comprehensive exam will test your understanding of all the material covered in the course. This balance ensures that both your ongoing progress and your final understanding of the course content are evaluated. This course is aimed at first-year students in the fields of science and technology, mathematics, computer science, and material science. If you are studying in one of these areas, this course will provide you with essential knowledge in particle mechanics that is foundational for your academic and professional journey. Thank you all for your attention. If you have any questions or need further information, feel free to reach out. Let's make this course a great learning experience.